Hi sweetie, let's make delicious spring roll, just easy and tasty. So we'll be adding some oil. So we'll be adding some chopped onions. We'll be seasoning the onions, adding salt to taste. Give that stir together. I will just let these onions and these spices to fry for 2 minutes. So guys, it has fried so amazing. I just love the color. Chicken breast. Then the chicken breast, I get that stir together. Look at the chicken. Looks so yummy. Oh my gosh. Wow. So guys, time for us to add in some cabbage. Wow. Carrots. Adding some hot pepper. This is going to be yummy-licious, simple-licious, delicious. So guys, making this sauce for you to get that delicious and yummy-licious we are looking for. Don't add any water. All you gotta do is to turn off your heat, as in let it be low. Then cover it, let that to get cooked with low heat for 10 minutes. Don't add water. The outcome is going to be amazing. 10 minutes, we are here. Look, oh my gosh. I tell you guys, don't add water. Just see how cooked this look. Oh my gosh, it's something so nice. I love this. Then keep that aside. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this already. So yummy. So guys, over here we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We're adding some salt, cooking oil. So you can make use of this or you make use of your hand. I'm making use of hand. Get that mixed together. So mix salt, you have something like this. Add in water a little by little. Don't add everything at once so that you know the consistency. So let's mix that. So guys, look at that. I'll be adding it over here. Get that mix very, very well as I want. So guys, the dough has mixed. At this point, it's ready. So now with that, I will divide the dough like this. So I'm done rolling all of it. All I do now is to keep it aside. On this surface, I'll be adding a little bit of flour. Then bring one of it. My roller to match it like this. So guys, here is the sauce. Look at that. So I'll be adding 1 spoon like this. So see how we see that? That will see like this. You get to see like this. You can cover it. Look at that. So this is what I'm going to do the rest of it like this. So guys, over here we have the frying oil. So we shall be adding it one after the other. So fry this one first. So guys, as you are doing this, try to be stirring, okay? Be frying and turning the other side so that it will get fried the same way. Okay, see, are you seeing what I'm saying? Look at that. The frying so beautiful, guys. So let's bring it out from the hot heat. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's giving. So guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is just so delicious. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's giving, guys. So guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Tell me how you see this one. So delicious. Oh my gosh, I love this. It tastes so nice. I love the outcome. It was so delicious, as you can see. Oh my goodness, I just love every bit of this spring roll, guys. If you haven't tried this is the right time to give it a try. All you gotta do is to share. I love you. Bye bye.